Hello everyone, welcome to Pediatrics by Dr. Anand. We are in Hyderabad and we have a wonderful batch. Let's have a small meet. Please say hello everyone. So yes, this is a very cute batch. So today's topic of choice is neonatology, growth and development, milestone, breastfeeding, short stretcher, you name it, they know it. Okay. And if someone doesn't answer, you can message in comment whose answer were the worst. We will, kind of do something with that fellow. Okay, so we'll start one by one. रूल वन बाय वन एक एक करके बेइज्जती करानी है, ठीक है. नो ग्रुप टॉकिंग, वन बाय वन. सो मैडम, व्हाट इज योर नेम? ओके, सो मैडम, व्हाट इज द आइडियल टेम्परेचर ऑफ लेबर रूम? 25 to 28 degrees Celsius. What's the normal temperature of newborn, sir?
36.5 to 37.5.
36.5 to 37.5 degrees Celsius. Okay. This one. What are the drugs given intratracheal? Any examples? Surfactant. The mnemonic is nasal. N for naloxone, A for adrenaline, S for surfactant, A for atropine, L for lignocaine. If a newborn heart rate is less than 100, what will you do? Very good. Bag and mask ventilation. For how many seconds we should do bag and mask? 30 seconds. If the second time heart rate is less than 100, then what will you do? Ventilation corrective steps. Very good. If the baby's heart rate is less than 60, what will you do? Chest compression and bag and mask ventilation. Which is better, finger technique or thumb technique? Very good. Thumb technique is better. If the heart rate less than 60, you said chest compression plus bag and mask. What is the ratio? 3:1. Very good. What is the ratio of CPR in a child? 15:2. What is the normal weight of a 3-year-old? 14 kg. Normal weight of a 1-year-old? 10 kg. 2-year-old? 12 kg. Weight doubles by how many months? 5 months. Weight triples by how many months? 1 year. And height doubles by how many years? 4 years. And triples by 12 years. What's the normal height of a 4-year-old? 100 centimeter. What's the formula to calculate the expected height? 8 into 6 plus 77. Very good. Where do you see butterfly shaped vertebra? Allegili syndrome. Very good. Which is the most common congenital heart in Allegili? Pulmonary stenosis. Tell me one syndrome where the IQ is normal. Turner syndrome. Turner is common in females or males? Females. What is the karyotype of Turner syndrome? 45XO. And Klinefelter? 47XXY. 47XXY. Very good. How many sutures, how many fontanelle we have? 4 sutures, 6 fontanelle. Which one is diamond shape? Anterior fontanelle. A baby can make a diamond by how many years? 7 years. Bye-bye कब करता है बच्चा? Bye-bye? 9 months. Okay, very good. Sitting with support comes by? 6 months. Sitting without support? 8 months. Standing with support? 9 months. Standing without support? 12 months. When can a baby walk with one hand held? 12 to 13 months. Independently walking? 15 months. And running by? 18 months. Okay, when can a baby open the drawers of almirah? 18 months. When can a baby knows his full name, age and sex? 3 years. A baby can go to toilet alone by? 4 years. When can a baby make a straight line? 2 years plus 4 years. Circle? 3 years. Rectangle? 4.5. And triangle? 5. Diamond? 7. Cross? 8 years. Cylinder? 9 years. And 3D cube? 11 years. Very good. When can a baby make a tower of 9 cubes? Tower of 9 cubes. Tower of 2 cubes, 15 months. Tower of 3 cubes, 18 months. Tower of 6 cubes, 2 years. And tower of 9 cubes, 3 years. Okay. What is the Greek meaning of pediatrics? Child healer. Each 100 ml of breast milk contains how many kilocalories?
65 kilocalories.
65. And how much gram of protein we have in mother's milk? 1.1. And cow's milk?
3.1.
3.1. Lactose in mother's milk?
7.4.
7.4. And cow's milk?
4.7.
4.7. Breast milk is rich in which vitamin? Vitamin A and vitamin C. What is the dose of vitamin D in a preterm?
800 international units.
Yeah, in a preterm it is 800 international units and term baby is 400 international units. Okay. What is severe hypothermia? Temperature less than 32 degrees Celsius. Last 2 questions. In chronic malnutrition, which parameter is affected? Height for age. In acute malnutrition, weight for height, and acute and chronic malnutrition, weight for age.